Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the roller assembly screw in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 3/16 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So we'll pull out our top dish rack here. And in order to get the dish rack off, we're going to have to take off the stoppers on the end here. So we'll just pull straight up on that and pull it out. And same thing on this side, we're going to pull straight up on the stopper and then pull it straight out. Now with the stoppers out of the way, you should be able to pull your dish rack straight out. And you can see here on our roller assembly, it's got just one screw on the top. You've got our other roller assembly, which has two screws on the top and the bottom. So that could cause this to be a little bit loose, and we don't want that. So now, grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we'll line up our screw with the hole in there, and we're going to use a 3/16 inch nut driver in order to put it in place. And we'll tighten it in. There we go. And now we'll take our upper rack, and we'll line up the wheels and get those inside of the track there and push that all the way back. You just want to make sure that both go inside. This one didn't, so we're going to try it one more time and slide it all the way back. Now we're going to slide our track out just a little bit again, and we're going to put our stoppers back in place. There we go. So that'll stop the track from going out again. And now we can close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.